Hi, welcome to Eno PDF. Eno is an AI document reader that shows you where answers come from. Before building Eno, we spent years as lawyers, reading through documents, trying to find information. To do this, you'd open up documents and use Control F to find the things you were looking for. Today, let's say a client has asked us, who do they need to send financial statements to? We're going to open up their shareholders agreement and search financial statements. Right here, we've found the information rights section of the document, where it says who the financial statements need to be sent to. It says they need to go to the capital I investors. Now, the lawyers watching this know that we then need to go find out what an investor is. You'd think the AI products on the market would be really good at doing this. But when you use them, you put in your document, ask your question, and instead of reading your document, you end up reading long paragraphs of AI-generated text. Frequently, this text has really good answers, but sometimes it has completely hallucinated things. And when responding to a client, you can't risk telling them something that isn't true.
So now let's take a look at how Eno does this.
Eno is a desktop application that you install on your computer. When you open it up, you can pick a file or folder to open. We're going to open this whole folder of documents. Right off the bat, we're just going to ask our question. Now, Eno is reading these documents directly off your desktop, but it is using AI models in the cloud. It does this by sending snippets of the documents for AI analysis. When it gets the answers back, it makes decisions about where to take its research next. This allows it to reason across huge sets of documents without having to upload the entire thing and wait for long processing times. When the analysis is complete, you can see it looks a little bit different from the AI chatbot we saw earlier. We get an answer from the AI, but then we get these snippets, which are literal renderings of our documents. You can click on them and see the exact place in the documents where these snippets appear. You can see that Eno has figured out the place where the financial statements requirements are defined. It's found the list of purchasers in the share purchase agreement and highlighted the ones who meet the threshold for the investor definition. It's found that certain major investors have additional information rights, and it's found those definitions mentioned earlier. It even found an additional investor who was granted special rights in a side letter. This is a super quick overview of how Eno works. If you're interested in learning more, the best thing to do is download it and try it. It's totally free to use, and you can get up and running in just a few clicks. We hope you like it. Thanks for watching.